Hey friends, Pete Valdez here, your new home sales pro. Today I'm checking out the city of Mount Dora and Tavares. I'm going to be showcasing some of D.R. Horton's popular communities. One is called Timberwalk in Mount Dora, which is where I'm at right now, and then also Avalon Park, which is in Tavares. I'm going to be showing these two communities because they're one of the more popular communities that D.R. Horton has to offer. But first I want to show you the cool city of Mount Dora and show you some of my favorite little spots to eat at. All right, so right now we're going to go check out one of my favorite little spots here. Well, there's a couple. Pisces Rising is really good. They're closed right now. They're gonna be open for dinner. But for lunch, man, Las Palmas, Cuban restaurant, let's go check it out. All right, so we're in Las Palmas, Cuban restaurant. So you can just check out the scene here in the restaurant, but even the chairs have that little bit of Cuban flair to it, which I love, right? So a little bit of coffee, right? And then over there, there's one with the flag and the dominoes. You gotta love it, but let's dig into this menu. This menu looks insane, and of course, what lunch would be complete without a cocktail? All right, so Mount Dora, a little bit about Mount Dora. The city first got its name in 1883. The population here in Mount Dora has just really been on an uptick the last few years. In 2013, the population was a little shy of 13,000. So as of 2023, the population skyrocketed. It's now almost 18,000 people. So it's definitely expected to grow up as more, but you'll know once you get to this little downtown area, you're gonna be like, wow, I've been missing this whole time. It's just north of Apopka. It's about 15, 20 minutes north of Winter Garden. I would say that from the downtown Orlando area, you're probably about 35, 40 minutes. Conveniently located to the 429, and it literally sits on like right off the Harris Lake chain of lakes. So if you're into boating, if you're into that like that lake life, Mount Dora is all about that. But plenty of shops in downtown Mount Dora. So if you've been to like a downtown Winter Garden, if you've been to a downtown Claremont, it's got that same vibe. Now those cities might be bigger, but the downtown area of Mount Dora is significantly larger than those cities that are actually larger. So great little spots, full of boutiques, full of restaurants. It's just a good time, great time to bring the family out. You really gotta come out and check it out. So in Mount Dora, Timberwalk by D.R. Horton Homes. Great spot featuring 3, 4, and 5 bedroom homes. I'm excited to show these models to you here shortly. This community is also close to everything. It's right by the 429 and 441, low HOA, no CDD. This is a great, great spot. I wanna show, there's plenty of homes to choose from. I wanna focus on one though that really catches my eye. It's called the Lakeside. It's a large 1-story, 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, really nice open concept. It is a home run. It's a newer plan to D.R. Horton, so let's go take a look. Okay, so I'm in the Lakeside. It's a 5 bedroom, 3 bath, just shy of 2,300 square feet. I'm in the foyer right now, just walked in. And so immediately to my left, I have 2 secondary bedrooms right here, and then a hall bath. So real decent size secondary bedrooms. The garage would be on the other side of this wall. What you're gonna see through this, throughout this house is that all the main living areas have tile, bathrooms, hallways, foyer, all the way through the kitchen. Spacious kitchen, obviously, and so what I love about this setup too here is that you do have like this huge open concept here, but right to your right, you have a really nice nook area, breakfast area, really good size quartz countertop kitchen island, good size pantry as well. So this home features all stainless steel appliances. I've seen a version of this home where it has the vinyl plank flooring too. So if you're not a fan of the tile, it comes also with the vinyl planks. That's a new feature that D.R. Horton's doing. And some more modern finishes. This one has the Moen fixture, more of the traditional style, but there are some different options there as well. So everything that you see like in the home is gonna be included. So there's not like a design center type of approach to building this home. So the pricing is gonna be the pricing, all in pricing. Kitchen-wise, the microwave vent hood vents to the outside, so that's a really cool feature too. And then let's take a look on this side of the home here. And like I said before, the garage, it's your typical 2-car garage, about 20 by 20. There's an additional storage space here. So if you're coming in from your everyday entrance, your garage potentially, to this side here, you have your laundry room, decent sized laundry room. I mean, it's not the biggest, but you do have room there for washer and dryer. And inside of the laundry is gonna be your AC closet. They're using carrier units on here. And so typical warranty is a 5-year warranty. You can, that's for parts mostly. And so the first year is gonna be parts and labor, and then you can add an additional 5 years at no additional cost just by registering the unit. So pretty cool feature there. There's another hall bath here, and then 2 other secondary bedrooms. So up front we had 1 and 2. This would be bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 here. Moving on more into the living space, really nice size open living area. There is a lot of natural light that this home allows for. You're surrounded by windows everywhere and a nice size slider glass window here as well. So on this setup, I mean, you could do another dining area, you could do just a large dining area or combo. But again, you have the bar stools there, you have a designated breakfast area. So I see this more as just a large living room. And then your owner suite, great size owner suite, big enough to fit very comfortably a king size suite. You'd probably set those headboards somewhere in here, and then plenty of depth. You can have your TV if you want to on that side, or even a small little sitting area on that side. And then you have your owner's bath. The owner's bath is gonna have a dual vanity, 2 sinks, your shower, your water closet kind of tucked away back here. And then you have your walk-in closet. Plenty of room. Again, this is a 5'3", 1-story, really nice setup. I would say this is a house that's really getting a lot of attention right now. Very difficult to find a 1-story with 5 bedrooms in this market. All right, so right now I'm in America's seaplane city. That's Tavares, Florida. Tavares, Florida, what a great place to live. If you're looking for a place to call home that has that small town charm, but close to everything, Tavares is a great place to consider. So average household income out here is about 60,000 right now. And this is a city that's growing. It actually grew about 45% between 2013 and 2023. So 2024 numbers aren't quite out just yet, but it's expected to grow another 5% over the next few years. So this is a place that's really on the move right now. And it's basically just because it's such a great place to live. It's beautiful. And like I said, there's just so much to do. Let's go take a look at Tavares, Florida. So Tavares sits about 10 minutes west of Mount Dora. It's right off of Lake Dora, which connects with the Harris chain of lakes. So if you're into boating or seaplanes, as I mentioned earlier, this is a great little spot. It's about 50 minutes to Orlando. Plenty to do here. Currently walking through a trail that goes through the downtown Tavares area. From here, you have several restaurants. There's also a really cool grill right behind me here that sits right off this beautiful lake. So if you're trying to pick up lunch here right close to the lake, great little spot. Avalon Park by D.R. Horton Homes here in Tavares, Florida. So excited to show this community to you. Features 3, 4, and 5 bedroom single family homes starting in the mid to high 3s. Pricing is always subject to change, but the community offers a really nice amenity, pool, cabana, tot lot. It's all at your fingertips. Now, Publix grocery stores are just like a minute away. All your day-to-day conveniences are just a short drive as well. Hospital's a minute away. Great little spot, a lot of pin-up demand. Let's go see the models. So I'm in the Roby floor plan, D.R. Horton's better selling floor plan. It's a 5'3", just shy of 2,500 square feet. So I'm in the foyer area, tile throughout the whole main entry area. And then once you get here, you're in the dining, living, kitchen. Everything is just one open space. Great features here. Everything's included as far as what you see. The flooring, the countertops, the cabinetry, there's no additional costs. So what you're gonna find with pricing in these homes right now, and it's always subject to change, but you're gonna see that they're in the mid to high 3s, and that's an all-in price. So big kitchen countertop here, big island. Features like this with Moen included already. And so pantry-wise, really nice sized pantry, plenty of depth to it. I love the fact that this also features a 5th bedroom downstairs. So if you're looking for either an office space or somewhere where you can have like an in-law type of setup, this is a great little spot. And then directly across the hallway here is gonna be a full bath. They don't have it set up to where it's a full bath right now, but there will be a bath shower combo here. You'll have the toilet and then your sink. The way the space interacts with each other, the dining, the kitchen, and the living room, all together, everything kind of communicates with the kitchen island. So just one large open space and then plenty of natural light, right? So you have this giant slider here in the living room, additional lighting there, just really opens up the space. Plenty of depth to the backyard. Let's take a quick look. This is not the norm, but certainly I want to say the average out here is about 120 to 130 feet as far as depth, but plenty of space to put in a nice pool if you like down the road. I will tell you, D.R. Horton really prides themselves in doing 2-story block out here. So Central Florida is mostly a combination of either block and wood framing upstairs. This is all block all the way up, so really cool stuff. Okay, so this is the upstairs of the Robbie. Right now, I'm in what would be the loft area. It feels like more like a landing area. I mean, there is space to potentially put up a TV. So really nice size owner suite. Plenty of room for obviously what is a king size bed. You have some additional seating area there to the left of the room. The closet on this is a home run. Let's check this out because it's very comfortable, I think, for any couple. So owner's bath right here, you're gonna have double sink, you have your private water closet, and then you have your shower here to the right. I love the fact that there's also a linen closet inside the bathroom too, so that is here. Okay, so on the other side of the home, on the two-story portion of the house, is the secondary bedrooms. There's also very nice, comfortable size laundry room. They set this up really nicely with some additional seating, but I really see this potentially as like a place to do the homework, set up a little desk here. I love that. And then the secondary bedrooms, very comfortable size. So these 3 bedrooms on this side of the home share this hall bath. Nice size vanities, double sink in here as well. Then you have your tub shower combo. Would love to help you guys out. If you have any questions or anything about the area, about the cities, or any of the plans that D.R. Horton offers, would love to be of service. Again, thank you so much for watching. Again, it's Pete Valdez. Look forward to catching up with you. Thank you so very much. See you next time.